Hi, I'm Angela. I have a husband with bipolar 2 disorder, my kids have ADHD, and I myself have struggled with depression. You're not alone. In this week's Mental Health Tips, we're going to look at depression and genetics. Here's our real-life question. My mother's been fighting depression on and off since she was a teenager like me. I'm worried that since she has it, I'll automatically struggle with it too. Is there any connection with depression and genetics? That's a great question. Genetics plays a part in depression, but there's not a direct pattern of inheritance. There's a lot of factors, and researchers are continuing to look for what predisposes individuals to develop depression. But here are some factors. If you have a family history of depression, then you may have close to a 50% greater risk at developing depression. And if you have a parent or sibling with depression, it increases your risk 2 to 3 times that of an average person. Other factors are hormones, traumatic events, stress, or substance use. According to the World Health Organization, depression is the leading cause of disability worldwide, so it's a common issue across the globe. In the US alone, 10% of our population will experience a major depressive disorder at some point during their lifetime. But don't forget that we are each unique individuals. We're not just our genetics, and we're not just traumatic events that we've endured. We're definitely not just our stressful situations. We're heart, mind, and soul. And as we address issues of mental health, we can realize that we can treat all of who God created us to be, whatever our genetics and whatever our diagnosis. As the Apostle Paul tells us in Ephesians 2:10, we are God's workmanship, created in Christ Jesus for good works, which God prepared beforehand that we should walk in them. What real-life questions about mental illness do you have? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And a big thank you to His Heart Foundation for supporting this channel. If you want more in-depth mental health information for you and those you love, check out mentalhealth.academy today.